This is a video on making a Writing Center appointment, a 2-minute guide to creating an account and choosing a time. To begin, pull up CampusNet at campusnet.sebts.edu. Once you are there, select the menu drop-down and select Writing Center. Now that you are at the Writing Center homepage, click on the big blue link which reads Make an Appointment. Now that you have arrived at the WC Online site, click the Register for an Account link just above the login fields. Fill out the proper fields with your information: email address, first name, last name, student information, strengths, and password. Choose your notification settings so you can be emailed or texted before your next appointment, and then click Register. Now that you have registered, log in with your newly created account. Now that you have made it to the appointment portal, find a time slot that works for you. White rectangles represent times open for you to reserve for an appointment. Once you have selected your time, fill out the form with the proper information and select Save an Appointment at the bottom. You have successfully created an appointment at the Writing Center. You will be receiving a notification soon before your next appointment.